Hello, and welcome to Word Warehouse. In today's lesson, we're going to learn the verb raise. We'll look at its meaning, its forms, and how native speakers use it in everyday English. Let's get started. Raise means to lift something to a higher position, increase something, or cause something to happen. Unlike rise, raise always needs an object. Someone raises something. Examples: students raise their hands to ask a question. Many companies raise prices every year. Parents raise their children with love and care. The company is raising salaries this year. They are raising money for charity. He raised his glass and smiled. The government raised taxes last year. She has raised 3 children. Our team has raised a lot of money. They had raised the flag before the ceremony began. She had already raised the issue. We will raise the question tomorrow. They will raise more money for the hospital. Common expressions. Raise your hand. Please raise your hand if you know the answer. Raise money. We are raising money for a local charity. Raise prices. Many supermarkets raise prices every year. Raise taxes. The government plans to raise taxes next year. Raising taxes is often an unpopular political decision. Raise awareness. The campaign helps raise awareness about climate change. Raise children. They raised their children in a small town. Raise a question. She raised an interesting question during the meeting. Raise a concern. He raised a concern about the project's cost. Raise your voice. Please don't raise your voice. Raise your voice. It's time to raise your voice for equality. Raise the flag. The soldiers raised the flag at sunrise. Quick tip: don't confuse raise with rise. Raise is a transitive verb. It always has an object. She raised her hand. They raised the price. Rise is an intransitive verb. It has no object. The sun rises. Prices rise every year. There are several words that can be used instead of raise, depending on the context. You can use lift when you move something upward. Increase is common when talking about prices, salaries, or numbers. Collect is often used instead of raise when talking about money. You can also use bring up when introducing a topic or question in a conversation. Now you know how to use raise, raised, raised. Keep practicing with real examples, and you'll soon understand the difference between raise, rise, and arise. See you in the next lesson.